Hello, welcome back. I'm Marites and you are watching Cocina di Marites channel. If you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, click the like and share this video to your family and friends. I'm not a culinary expert. I just want to share with you what I have learned as a stay-at-home mom. With that said, without further ado, let's get started. Today in this video, we will prepare and cook this beef Wagyu Salpicao. And these are all the ingredients: soy sauce, garlic, grated garlic, tablespoon of sugar, pepper flakes, and Worcestershire sauce, and of course the beef Wagyu cubes. And now mix all the ingredients. The soy sauce, 1/4 cup of soy sauce. I use Kikkoman sauce with less salt, and of course the Worcestershire sauce, and the garlic, the grated garlic, and a teaspoon or a tablespoon of brown sugar or light brown sugar, and I add some pepper flakes to have some kick, and mix it well and stir this all ingredients and let it simmer in a saucepan for about 3 minutes, and we will put all the Wagyu cubes after we cook or simmer the sauce. You can add ground black pepper, and this is how I make the salpicao sauce. This is so simple. Usually when we cook the beef Wagyu cubes, we just fry it and without oil. There's a tendency that the marbled fats will come out and becomes the juices and the oil. But this, we will try this by cooking in an air roaster or air fryer. And now we'll make the preheat and the saucepan and add a tablespoon of butter and an olive oil, and mix all the soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, the garlic, the sugar, and the pepper flakes and ground pepper. So mix it well until the sauce becomes mixed in all together and well blended. So after that, we will transfer it in a bowl, and that's where we're going to put all the beef Wagyu cubes before putting in the skewers, so that individually we can get just one skewers per person. I put 5 pieces cubes per skewers, and this is how I mix in all the sauce with the beef Wagyu cubes. Just mix it with your hand or by spoon, it's okay. Anyway, you will hold it later when putting in the skewers. So this is how I tried salpicao sauce in beef Wagyu cubes. So easy to make, and the kids loved it, and of course my family loves it, my husband and my kids. But this is not an ordinary beef, that's why it's so expensive. This is just occasionally. Okay. By using a roaster, I cook it in just 10 minutes with all together these 6 skewers with 5 beef cubes per skewers. So easy and so enjoyable to eat the beef Wagyu. Hindi ka mabibitin because 5 cubes already, so in 1 skewers. And really enjoy eating this. with the special sauce, Salpicao. That's it, and we will put in a roaster and cook for 10 minutes. Enjoy eating this beef Wagyu cubes. You can also check out my other video how to cook beef Wagyu. So simple, but I will just check put in the description box or the flash on the video on your upper right corner, and you will hear how it will be cooked and the sizzles its own oil, especially the sauce that we made. We put butter and a little bit of olive oil. So that's it. Enjoy eating, enjoy cooking, have a nice weekend. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Bye.